All right, guys, what's up? Next poll I want to talk about is which brand out of the KTM group specifically do you guys like the most? So that's KTM, Husqvarna, and the newly acquired Gas. Just shy of 200 votes, and KTM came in with the win at 60%, which is not surprising whatsoever. Husqvarna 24%, and then Gas 17%. And I will say that Gas obviously is brand new to the KTM group, and they do look sharp. But I didn't expect Gas to be so close on the heels of Husqvarna in that poll, guys. I'll be honest. Couldn't be the difference of, 6 or 8 votes or something. So that is kind of surprising. I don't know if it's just because of the new hype around Gas or what, but I was a little surprised that Husqvarna wasn't closer on the heels of KTM there, because at least at our dealership we see a lot of interest in Husky for sure. So yeah, that one didn't blow my mind or anything, but I definitely found it pretty interesting. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification, and keep voting on these polls, guys. Thanks.